Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon to you all. Today in the grade 7 for the subject physics, we are going to discuss about the chapter 2 units from the page 9. So let's see what are the learning objectives in the today's discussion. Learning objectives of the today's lesson is unit of time, then conversion of units, examples of different units with the related to time. So let's talk about the time. Here in physics particularly, time is always measured in seconds, and we can see the different conversions of time. Also we can see with the SI units how we can use the time in different units. So units of time, here the different units are second, minute, hour, day, week, month and year. These are the different units of time. Also we can see the time is interval between two occurrences. The basic unit for time is second, as I told you. So here one must know that the conversion of the time, that is particularly if you talk about 1 minute, it has 60 seconds. So 1 hour is 60 minutes, or we can say 3600 seconds. So on and so forth, you can calculate the seconds for year of time. So here we are going to see that how we can convert these seconds to minutes to hours, or minutes to seconds, and so on and so forth, how we can convert the different units of time. So here boys, let's talk about the conversion of 420 seconds as an example, where we are going to find out 420 seconds is equal to how many minutes. So here first of all we should think that in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So this 420, it will be divided by 60, it will give you 7 minutes of time. So in this way we can find out for the days, we can find out for the week, we can find out for the month, as well as we can find out for the years. So here in short we can say that in a week there are 7 days, in a day there are 24 hours, 1 hour 60 minutes, 1 minute 60 seconds. So here you can see that when we are going from the big to small, we are going to multiply, but when we are going from small to big, we are going to divide. That is, small to big is from 60 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, from 60 minutes to 1 hour is conversion of small to big. Whereas if you talk about big to small, that is from the 1 week to 7 days, 1 day to 24 hours, so on and so forth. So such kind of conversions we do, and accordingly we do the multiplication or division in that cases. So here we can take an example where we can find out the time in minutes or in hours with the different examples. Also here one must know about the conversion of time, particularly seconds, minutes, hours. So 60 seconds converts to 1 minute. Similarly 24 hours is 1 day. Accordingly about 30 days in a month is giving you the time period of 30 days, and 365 days in a normal year, whereas 366 days in a leap year. So this is what we can say the conversion of unit of time. So here the similar way we can also find out with this. So these are the different units of time where we can say that we all are aware about the seconds, that is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Also we are knowing about the hours, day, month, year too. We are aware about the year. But if suppose it is of 10 years, so we can say that it is 1 decade, 100 years we can say 1 century, and 1000 years we say millennium. So accordingly we can find it out. So with this I am going to conclude here the today's lesson. Thank you for joining. See you in the next video. Thank you.